Java applets. There are two ways that user can interact with the program. They are CUI, GUI. Character user interface, graphical user interface. Character user interface. In character user interface, user interacts with the application by typing characters or commands. In CUI, you should remember the commands. It is not user friendly. Example, in a Java program, we can add two numbers, declare the number, do the addition, report the result. It makes it hard for the end user to understand how to interact with this program throughout compilation and execution. So whenever the end user compile the program, you can enter the two numbers in the given space, clicking the equal button to get the result, which is easy to understand. This is an example of GUI. Graphical user interface. Java Abstract Window Toolkit is an application program interface to develop GUI or window based application in Java. The application window toolkit supports for applets. The AWT contains numerous classes and methods that allow you to create and manage the GUI window. Abstract Window Toolkit. Abstract Window Toolkit is an application program interface for creating graphical user interface in Java. It allows Java programmers to develop window based applications. AWT represents a class library to develop an application using GUI. AWT provides various components like button, label, checkbox, etc. used as objects inside a Java program. AW components use the resources of the operating system. They are platform independent, which means components view can be changed and according to the view of the operating system. The classes for AWT are provided by java.awt package for various AWT components. The java.awt package contains classes and interfaces that help create graphical user interface and enable more user-friendly program interaction. The hierarchy of Java AWT has been given in the diagrammatical structure to have a look over. Now, the first one is object class. Object class is the superclass of all Java classes. All Java classes inherited from this class. Component class. The component class, which takes the top position in AWT hierarchy, is an abstract class that contains all the component screen visible characters. The component object gives details about the foreground and background colors that are currently selected. Additionally, it provides information about the presently selected font color. Container. A component called the container includes additional components like button, text field, label, etc. It is a subclass of a component also. Panel. The panel can be defined as a container that can be used to hold other components. However, it does not contain the title bar, menu bar or border. Window. A window can be defined as a container, thus does not contain any border or menu bar. It creates a top level view. However, we must have a frame, dialog or other window for creating a window. Frame. The frame is a subclass of window. It can be defined as a container with components like button, text field, label, etc. In other words, AWT applications are mostly created using the frame container. Applets. The interactive component of web application are provided by Java applets, which can be easily run by many different platform browsers. They can launch automatically when the pages are browsed and are tiny, portable Java programs embedded in HTML pages. Now, the hierarchy of AWT components has been given as the diagrammatical structure. Applet basics. All applets are subclasses of applet. Thus, applets must import java.applet. Applet must also import java.awt package. Applets are not executed by the console-based Java runtime interpreter. Rather, they are executed by either a web browser or an applet viewer. Execution of an applet does not begin at main. In other words, there is no main method in an applet. Output to your applets window is not performed by system.out.println. Rather, it is handled with various AWT methods such as drawString, which outputs a string to the specified XY location. Input is also handled differently than in an application. Once an applet has been compiled, it is included in an HTML file using the applet tag. The applet will be executed by a Java enabled web browser when it encounters the applet tag within the HTML file. To view and test an applet more conveniently, simply include a comment at the head of your Java source code file that contains the applet tag. Java applications are one of the three kinds of program. An application is a standalone program that can be invoked from the command line. An applet is a program that runs in the context of a browser session. A servlet is a program that is invoked on demand on a server program that runs in the context of a web server process. You have a diagrammatic representation of the server host, browser host, and how it has been interacting together. So when an applet is referred in a web page, this diagram represents how it is done. Then, life cycle of an applet. It is essential in understanding the sequence whereby different methods indicated in the figure are invoked. The following methods are called in this order when an applet begins. So, when you go for this life cycle, you have born, running, idle, dead. So, when you want to be born, init method is called. Then after born, to run, you go for start method. Then while running, when you go for working with it, you need the paint method. After that, when you need a stop, you go for stop method, and when you want to make that applet dead, you go for destroy method. Now, public void init. It is used to initialize the applet. It is invoked only once. Start is invoked after the init method or browser is maximized. It is used to start the applet. Start is used to stop the applet. It is invoked when the applet is stopped or browser is minimized. Destroy is used to destroy the applet. It is invoked only once. Paint. It is used to paint the applet. It provides graphic class object that can be used for oval drawing, rectangle arc, etc. Within the method paint, we can call drawString method to print a text message in the applet window. Types of applets. You have local applet, remote applet. Local applet is developed locally and stored in the local system. A web page does not get the information from the internet when it finds the local applet in the system. It is specified or defined by the file name or path name. There are two attributes used in the defining an applet: the code base that specifies the path name and the code that defines the name of the file that contains the applet. You have an example that represents this. Remote applet. Remote applet are stored in the remote computer. In an internet connection is needed to access them. The remote applet is designed and developed by other developers. To find and load a remote applet, you need to know the address of the network applet, the uniform resource locator. You have an example to look over. Here is the difference between local applet and remote applet in a tabular column to have a look over. So when you go with for local applet, no need to define the URL. But in remote applet, we need to define the URL. Local applet is available on our computer. Remote applet is not available. In order to use our local applet, we don't need internet connection, but when you go for remote, you need it. Local applet is written on our own and then embedded in web pages. Remote is done by other developers. Local applet, we doesn't need to download it, but when you go for remote applet, you need to download it. How to run an applet? An applet is run on two ways: through HTML file to applet viewer tool. Through HTML file, for an applet to run in a web browser, we must write a short HTML text file that contains a tag to upload an applet. For this, we use applet or object tags. The HTML applet specifies an applet. It embeds Java applets in HTML documents. It does not support HTML5. We have an example to go with. Next, using the applet viewer tool. The applet viewer runs an applet in the window. It is usually the fastest and easiest way to test an alphabet. Create an applet containing the applet tag in the command and complete it. It is used for testing purpose also. So we have an example where we have created and run the applet viewer. It is used for your reference, and the output for this has been given. Commonly used methods of graphic classes. We have many commonly used graphic methods: draw string, draw rect, fill rect, draw over, fill oval, draw line, then boolean draw image, abstract void draw arc, abstract void fill arc, abstract void set color, abstract void set font. These are the various methods of graphical classes which can be used. Next, some of the AWT supplies user interface components are text field, text area, labels, checkboxes, buttons, lists, sliders and scroll bars, draw areas, menus and containers. Event handling. The pathway to efficient applet program is how to handle events. The majority of events to which the applet will react come from the user. The most frequent various types of events processed involve those triggered by the keyboard, mouse and various controllers, including push buttons. Events are supported by java.aw.event package. Steps to perform event handling. Register the component with the listener. Registration methods. For registering the component with the listener, many classes provides the registration methods. Now we have various registration methods in the tabular column to have a look over. Advantages of applet. The response time is quicker because it operates on the client side. It is secured. Web browsers must adhere to the tightly secured regulations while using applets. It is compatible with browsers on various operating systems including Linux, Windows and Mac OS. Disadvantages of applet. The client browser requires a plugin to run the applet. The mobile browser and iOS or Android does not run any Java applet. Desktop browser have dropped support for Java applets along with the rise of mobile operating system. Applet features over HTML. It displays the dynamic web pages of a web application, play audio files, display documents, play animations.